and USDC. I love the headline here, but you got to write it to bring
Yeah, I
people in.
know.
Okay, surely worked.
What do you know about XRP coming week? Bearish? Well, I'm bullish on the biggest thing I'm bullish on is probably government signing and getting some crypto. That would be nice. Not using your still and not taking. I'm taking trades, but I'm not a good trader. You know, that's the issue. Like I'm way better at reading the news and speculating. So I am doing a small trading though. I am learning, but I'm not learning enough. I mean, every single day, put like 1 hour into learning XRP trades and how it works, and then that would be like make me a black belt. So doing the small stuff once I get more time. Already started yesterday. So I really like that. I actually enjoy trading a lot with XRP. That's the fun thing that I have been doing right now. So that is something I'm doing. I'm doing like from $25, I think, to a very high amount. I think it's too little though. It's like a challenge anyway. So I'm trying from $25 to basically $100. So that is something I am learning. And it's hard. It's hard to make 400%, but anything is possible in crypto if you have the right skills. Congrats. So yeah, I'm just gonna check this. Nasdaq listed thumbs up. Media approves 200 million invested in XRP. Now I'm thinking $200 million, a lot of money planted into XRP, USDC, and more as a part of an expanded crypto treasury strategy.
For me, Nasdaq listed thumbs up media approves $250 million investment into XRP and other digital assets, right? Let's scroll down here and get the details specifically. So they have announced that its board has formally authorized the company to expand its crypto holdings beyond Bitcoin. So we have another company that was holding Bitcoin in their treasury. The company recently announced in a press release that it intends to make significant investments into XRP, USDC.
So I'm guessing how much of this money is actually going to go into XRP. $250 million is a lot of money. How much of that is going to be into USDC? How much are they going to keep like $10 million into XRP, Ethereum, Solana, and Doge? So they're going to go beyond Bitcoin. But this is what I've been telling you guys. Crypto right now is just getting started. Hey, from Niagara Falls, Canada, we help. Here's our base. Welcome to the channel as well, Imarez. Spelled your name correctly. But anyway, 250 million XRP, USDC, and more is a very bullish sign. It means, again, a lot of money coming in. Means also that these big companies, they don't want to only hold Bitcoin. They want to hold something else. They want to hold, the next big gainer. And could this be the next big gain? Maybe. And there's a chance, like Bitcoin right now has been the biggest performer. So if we look at market cycles, this could be it. Could be a nice, could be Ripple USD, like could be very, very nice for profits.
Ethereum,
so yeah,
Solana,
right.
Dogecoin, as well as Litecoin.
So yeah, the good thing about XRP, it's getting traded by a lot of whales, which creates big market charts, which creates a lot of volume, which creates a lot of social activity.
Well, I guess
we gotta get approved the XRP ETFs. So that would be awesome. Like XRP ETFs is what I'm waiting for.
Still alive. In order to achieve a diversified $250 million digital asset portfolio. A couple things here, ladies and gentlemen. This is a multi-chain world, and this is a multi-chain game. This company is not just investing in XRP, but they're hedging their bet with a stablecoin, the leader in DeFi and Web.
I mean, why would you do the stable? I guess you get returns like 8%, 10% a year. You get a very good return on holding your USDC. Then you get Ethereum, Solana, and Doge, and LTC. So I guess Ethereum is a good bet, right, for them because it's making a lot. And then you have Litecoin. Again, Litecoin has not been hearing anything for years. Solana and Doge. So that is going to be very interesting. How much of that money of 250 million is going to go straight into XRP?
3 and Ethereum, its emerging rival in the form of Solana, and a couple OG proof of work assets in the form of Doge and Litecoin. What could they possibly see coming down the pipeline for Dogecoin and Litecoin? That's my question. But We got a quote here from their CEO, Robert Steele, emphasizing the decision as it comes at a key moment in the crypto industry timeline. That is very true. He says, as the U.S. federal government moves towards more crypto-friendly policies and greater regulatory clarity, Thumbs Up is committed to remaining at the forefront of this transformative technology by diversifying our portfolio of crypto companies to gain wider exposure to the market as a whole. So, dig this, y'all.
So basically, they want to make more money for the shareholders, and they have a shareholding company and feel like that the crypto market will boom. So they're willing to bet $250 million on the crypto market booming and XRP going up. So literally at this price, so this news is very recent, at $3.5, they're saying, hey, maybe this price will go up even more, and we are willing to bet this money to our $250 million that Dogecoin and all these crypto assets will actually explode. Would be nice though. There's some real news here.
Financial advice, this is just me. But I'm taking note of these companies as we find them, these publicly listed companies.
Yeah, so a lot more companies are coming into like this hype wave, basically. They're coming and getting stronger.
Who are backing their treasuries with crypto assets. I'm definitely diving into those. There's another one, Diversified Investment Corporation. They have the $150 million Solana backed treasury. They're also listed on Robinhood. I think that is
Ethereum treasuries, lots of money coming in. Again, all these companies, as I was telling you guys 2 months ago, too much money coming in, and too much money being printed. So where does this all money go? Into the crypto markets. Because what gives better returns than crypto? Basically crypto, nothing. Probably like the stock market on its best month gives like 20% a year, 30% a year, if we're really, really lucky. But crypto gives literally 300%, and they're betting on the US government saying, hey, we are going to enter as well, but we are going to enter after you enter. So, they're basically hoping that the US government is gonna come there. I like that he has a little icon here, crypto assets are unregulated, because it is a big risk. It is a big risk to buy, it's not like a great thing, but $250 million, and even if 100 million is XRP, it would definitely move the markets. Maybe 25 cents, 20 cents. I didn't do the math, but it would definitely help.
There are a number of crypto companies that are publicly listed that you can look at. That's going to be my strategy too. I'm definitely leveraging crypto related stocks against cryptos. So right now I'm owning Circle, Coinbase, just picked this up, as well as the Diversified Investment Corp. There's another company called Applied Blockchain.
Like they tell all of us that this news after. I still think, the issue is, even if we know all this news beforehand, it's mostly like extra content. The thing is, they tell us this now, but they still have to pump 100 million. So for me, it's still bullish news. It's not like somebody will buy because of this news, but it just tells you, hey, under 100 million crypto entered the market, right?
The platform that empowers users to earn cash for sharing branded content on social media. Payments are made via PayPal and other leading digital channels. In parallel with the growth of its ad tech, Thumbs Up has strategically expanded its treasury to include other cryptocurrencies.
Yeah, I see. I agree with that.
Also developing a patent-pending lifestyle AI agent marketplace, which aims to revolutionize lifestyle planning. So this company here's got layers to it. Very interesting. Ad tech platform, AI. Now you're getting into crypto, social media payments through PayPal. This to me shows that the treasury was just the first step. We could hear a lot coming from Thumbs Up in the coming months, guys. But let's talk about their...
I'm really just waiting for the government update.
Connections.
I should be learning some XRP trades, to be honest. That would be nice use of my time. But yeah, this is the most bullish news I am on Right now, I'm seeing a lot of people seeing that. But last week, the company announced that Donald Trump has acquired approximately 350,000 shares and investment value at nearly $4 million. Again, why would they be buying if they weren't bullish? Like, why would Trump family buy if they didn't value crypto? Trump Jr. and his brother Eric reportedly serve as advisors to Dominari Securities, which arranged a recent $6 million private placement in Thumbs Up Media. So they bought their share of XRP, which is funny. And even though precise allocation details are still unknown, shares are trading at $13 according to Google Finance, reflecting an 84% gain over the past month. This was bullish for them, right? And $250 million is kind of a pretty nice moving market strategy. So pretty good overall. For me, that is very nice. Have to check that. We'll check this. Thank you. So what else do we have on the plan? Our eyes on the prize. Right now, I really like watching, billionaires talk about XRP. That is one thing I really enjoy. We've been seeing billionaires talk about day and night about Bitcoin, XRP. It literally gives them, it's a very small chance you can hear someone talk about crypto. Otherwise,